Vimarsha Vitanagir. I'm from UCS College and I finished my edXL A-levels in 2024 May. Ever since then, I've been looking for courses and universities which interested me. So selecting RMIT as my university was really a no-brainer, given its high reputation in the technological arena in Australia. I even received a 20% scholarship, which was the Future Leaders Scholarship as a support for my university activities, and that's where Edlocate comes in. Starting from the beginning, ever since my application process, Edlocate's been there for my every step. Whether it was submitting documents, whether it was processing my visa, Edlocate was sure to be very helpful in every way. I even received my visa within less than 2 weeks, and that's all thanks to Edlocate. So if you are hoping to go abroad for your university, I definitely recommend it, and I myself am very excited to start my journey abroad. Thank you.